Hi. So there are two concepts, one each from spirituality and physics, that both need to be reinterpreted. We'll start with the one from physics. This is the concept of entropy. Entropy is what? Measure of disorder. But the measure of disorder depends on the nature of our interaction with the system. For example, take a look at this picture. Is this system ordered or disordered? You would say it's ordered. All the blues are on one side, all the oranges are on one side, all the smalls are on one side, all the bigs are on one side. It's ordered. What about this one? Now it becomes a little bit dicey, because if you choose to interact with color, then the system is disordered. If you choose to interact with size, however, this system is ordered still, because all the smalls are on one side, all the bigs are on one side. Like this. Ignore color, focus on size, system remains ordered. What about this one? Now, if you ignore size and only focus on color, the system is ordered. All the blues are on one side, all the oranges are on one side. But now if you look at size, now the system is not ordered anymore. So you see, the nature of our interaction with the system determines whether that system is ordered or disordered. There is no absolute entropy. It is always dependent on how we choose to interact with the system. That determines whether it's ordered or disordered. Now let's come to karma. Karma is taken to mean fatalistic things. In the spiritual world, when something is not easily explainable, they say, oh, it's karma. But you have to look at what is karma. Go back to the origin. Go back to Patanjali's Yoga Sutras in chapter 3, verse 15. Chapter 3 in the Vibhuti Pada, verse 15. This is what he says. The distinctness of succession is the cause for distinctness of transformation. Distinctness of succession is the cause for distinctness of transformation. This needs a little bit of interpretation. So to interpret this, we have to understand that Anu, A-N-U, Anu means the smallest possible unit of existence. This is Anu. Anu is what? Smallest possible unit of existence. Similarly, Kshana, Kshana is the smallest possible unit of time. Kshana is what? Smallest possible unit of time. Now comes the definition of karma. Karma is simply succession of the tiniest moments, or kshana, succession of the tiniest moments at the smallest possible scale. Succession of the tiniest moments at the smallest possible scale is karma. It is simply succession. There is no fatalism here. With this interpretation of karma and the interpretation of entropy that we just saw, our perspective changes. Everything now becomes non-fatalistic. It simply determines our interaction with the system. Our interaction with the system determines the nature of succession and whether a system is ordered or disordered. It completely depends on how we choose to interact with the system. Reflect on this now. Bye.